Hello, this is Jennifer from Manhattan Public Library, and I want to show you a cool feature of the Wandoo Reader system that we use for our summer reading program. After you've registered multiple family members for summer reading through our website here, you can go to any of the login screens and you'll see a button that says Enter Family Management Portal. This is a way that you can manage everyone, every family member with just one login. If you're already logged in as one of the kids or something, you may have to log out before you get started here. So you can choose Enter Family Management Portal, and you're going to have to join the first time that you go in. Please note this is a different registration than the actual summer reading program. So even if you have already registered yourself, you'll have to do this part again with your email address this time, and it is a separate account. You don't have to be registered for summer reading in order to do the family management portal. So, and if you've used this feature in the past, you may have to put in your email that you used in the past and forgot your password if you don't remember your password, because it will hold that email for several years. So we're going to do join here, and this is where you would put in your first, last name, email, and create a password for yourself, and that is all that you have to do in order to become part of the family management portal. And I created one earlier, so we will try to go back into that. All right, so this is Forrest Gump is the account owner, and he has several dogs who are readers in his family who he's going to help manage. You can see that he's already added 2 of his dog children, and we're going to add another one. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can choose add a new member up here in the corner, and if they have already been entered into the summer reading system, you just need to know their username and password that you used when you signed them up. So we will try to add Snoopy. Okay, so now if we go back to my family, you can see that we have added Snoopy Brown as another one of Forrest Gump's children. If you need to register a child, you can click on the register button, and you can go to add a new user. Here you'll need to decide which program this family member is going to be in. So we'll say they're going to be in the teen program, and this time we'll just do Woodstock. And we'll use a library email for today. I like to choose really simple passwords for this program. And Woodstock is 15 this year. And we're going to put in the library's address, but you would put in your own address here. And we are using this year just in case we need to mail out some prizes depending on how things are during the summer for different families. Okay, so now if we go back to my family, we can see that Woodstock isn't here. So basically what we've done is registered Woodstock, but we have not added him yet. So we need to go into link an existing user, and we're going to put in the username and password that we just created. And now Woodstock is there. All right, so there are some fun features about this. If you click on one of these icons, let's say Snoopy did a bunch of reading today, and you're going to enter that time for them. This program list will tell you what program they are in, and you click over here on View Details. And that is where you will get to log their reading time. All right, so because Snoopy and Woodstock are both in the teen program, if they were reading together, I could click on both of them I'm just going to do Snoopy. Snoopy read for 50 minutes today. Great job. And I'm going to submit that time. All right, and so that shows up. If we had chosen a book title, that would have come up on the screen over there. And if I want to go back to my family here, and I can see a family report. Let's look at the teen program and see how Snoopy and Woodstock are doing. So Snoopy has 50 minutes of reading time and Woodstock doesn't have any yet. Let's look at the younger kids now. Let's go into Hank the Cow Dog's account. Hank the Cow Dog and Clifford the Big Red Dog have been doing some reading together. So I'm going to click both of their names, and tonight we just read a short little book of Goodnight Moon for 10 minutes. And we finished that book. I'm going to submit that log. So now that will be submitted for both Hank and Clifford at the same time. So this is a quick and easy way to manage multiple children. One thing that you cannot do from the family management portal is you can't set the reading goal. And that is something new that we're doing this year for kids to and adults set their own reading goal. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're just going to go back to the library's main page. In order to set the reading goal, you will have to go log in through the actual program, not through the family management portal, but in here. So let's see, what was Hank's name? Let's see if I got that right. All right, so in Hank's account now, I can go in here and I can add the reading goal. The minimum is 400 minutes. So we'll just go ahead and put that down. Whoops, that's the reading goal name. And we will add that. The feature that this adds to the page is it shows how much reading time you have done and where you are in that progress to reaching your goal. You know that at the halfway point, when you get to 50%, the kids and adults, everybody gets a free book prize. And when you get to 100% of your goal, you get another free book. And we want everyone to reach those goals. So set goals that you feel are flexible and reachable for your family. And come on down to the library when you see our summer reading prize table up. Those hours are listed on here, and you can pick out some great books to keep. If you have more questions about how to use the family management portal or any other aspects of summer reading, you can give us a call or email us. Our information is down here from the login page. You can also click on the chat icon from the library's homepage to chat with a librarian.